the oldest mysteries, mulled by generations of deep thinkers.
एक मिनट
The Big Bang explains the evolution of the universe from a starting density and temperature that is currently well beyond humanity's capability to replicate. Thus, the most extreme conditions and earliest times of the universe are speculative, and any explanation for what caused the Big Bang should be taken with a grain of salt. Nevertheless, that shouldn't prevent us asking questions like, what was there before the Big Bang?
However, another answer is that the very question may not make as much sense as the words seem to suggest. We know how to parse that sentence. We know what it means to talk about the moment before the Big Bang because we fully understand the meaning of that kind of sentence. But it could be that when it comes to the Big Bang, the sentence actually doesn't mean anything. It could be that the Big Bang was the place where time itself started. Talk about a billion years ago or 10 billion years ago, but if you go to 13.8 billion years ago, the Big Bang, that may be where time started. And you can't go further back in time than the very origin of time itself.
To understand how the universe came to be, scientists combine mathematical models and observations and develop workable theories which explain the evolution of the cosmos. The Big Bang Theory, which is built upon the equations of classical general relativity, indicates a singularity at the origin of cosmic time. However, the physical theories of general relativity and quantum mechanics as currently realized are not applicable before the Planck epoch, which is the earliest period in time in the history of the universe, and correcting this would require the development of a correct treatment of quantum gravity. Certain quantum gravity treatments imply that time itself could be an emergent property, which leads some physicists to conclude that time did not exist before the Big Bang, while others are open to the possibility of time preceding the Big Bang.
There's nothing wrong before, we just don't have any data. I don't mind going into negative time. I have no problem with that. I don't mind resetting where the 0 point is. Time is just, where you put the 0 is arbitrary, as it continues to be this day with calendars. And so the starting point is just where you want to put it. And so right now, a pretty good starting point is the Big Bang. We don't know how to put it earlier than that. But if the day comes where a whole new kind of understanding of the universe reveals to us before that, I don't have any problems pushing the 0 point back or just counting into negative years.
तो आप जो स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, दिस इज द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द यूनिवर्स, दैट हाउ इट हैज हैपेंड. फर्स्ट बिग बैंग, देन अराउंड ये ऑलमोस्ट टाइम पीरियड कोशिश कीजिएगा कि याद रहे कि 380,000 ईयर्स तक आपके एनर्जी चल रही है, एडिशंस. उसके बाद है आपका डार्क पीरियड चल रहा है, यहाँ पर अभी कुछ बनना स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. 300 मिलियन ईयर्स के बाद आपके बनना स्टार्ट होंगे, कुछ ना कुछ फ्रेगमेंट्स और स्टार्स अपीयर होना स्टार्ट हुए हैं. फिर 1 बिलियन ईयर्स तक वो स्टार्स कलेक्टिव ग्रुप्स बनना स्टार्ट किया है, गैलेक्सीज को. और फिर इसके बाद अलग अलग सोलर सिस्टम गैलेक्सीज बनना स्टार्ट हुए हैं, और यहाँ तक अभी हम चल रहे हैं इस पीरियड तक.
The idea that I think most physicists or cosmologists buy into at the moment is that gravity can have two manifestations. The usual form of gravity is the attractive version. You drop something toward the Earth and it moves downward because the Earth and the object pull on each other. That's the ordinary gravity that we experience every day of our lives. But Einstein's equations actually allow gravity.
इतना ही पोर्शन दिखाया था मुझे इसका, बिकॉज अभी आइंस्टाइन में बात करने वाला हूँ, फिर फ्यूचर में बात करेंगे.